Let's take a quick look at how to do an SEO audit with Semrush. Now, if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial and test all these different features out. But once you're logged into your account, if you click on the SEO here, it's going to open up a sidebar. And from here, you're going to see a site audit option. Click on that. It is going to show past site audits that we've run and allow us to create new ones. It's actually limiting the number that we can have here. So we basically just need to get rid of one of these other ones first. But all you need to do is click create project. I can show you how it's basically just going to ask you these questions. Hey, what do you want to do here? Do you want it to be run, every week and send you an email report? Let's just say we want to run it every week on Friday. And we're willing to crawl 20,000 pages, which is going to be the limit based on a plan that I'm on right now, at least. And then it's going to ask us some additional questions about, actually it looks like that's it. It's going to continue to do this audit. Because it's 20,000 pages, it's going to take some time for it to do this audit. See, it's already crawled 15 pages. On this one, there's only 74 pages, so we can kind of take a look at this. When this thing's done running, basically what we're going to see is a report like this. Now, this is an on-site SEO analysis, okay? So it's looking at, the pages, JavaScript, different things that are happening on the website itself, like 404 error pages, invalid structured data items, broken internal links, all sorts of stuff. It's going to pick up, and then it's going to help guide you to fix these issues. So like come over here to the 404 error pages, right? It's going to show us, okay, these are the pages that you want to take a look at and make sure that you're addressing because they're broken links on your website, right? After you fix those, you should see this go away and your score should start to improve as your errors go down, your warnings go down, and your notices go down over time, right? Now, this is, like I said, the on-site portion of the audit. You can export this as well, which I would recommend doing. It'll allow you to kind of keep track of what you're doing over time. And then, of course, you can run more scans later. From here, I would also suggest using the domain overview option. So under SEO, you should see there's like SEO dashboard. I guess this is something new, but domain overview is going to give us a full breakdown of what's going on from a higher level SEO standpoint. We can check the organic search traffic, the authority score, the number of backlinks, traffic share, all sorts of data that is not necessarily on-site SEO. This is going to be kind of a combination of on-site and off-site SEO, probably more focused on off-site. Things like backlinks, how much traffic we're getting, all of that. And we can export, and we can dive into any of this by clicking on View Details, right? Opening this up, and I like to just open it in a new tab just so it's a little easier to look at. And then we can export any of this data at any point and start to sort of build out an audit of the SEO for this specific website, right? So that's kind of how I would do it. Just start digging into all the data. Of course, there's like a million different tools you can dive into, and I've gone through a lot of these in my YouTube channel. If you want to start digging into some of the other content on my channel, you can learn how all these different tools work and start to get a comprehensive SEO analysis in place. But this is where I would start. I would do the on-site page audit, or the on-page SEO audit through the site audit here. This is going to give you all your technical areas you can start implementing changes and fixes for. And then really doing a deep dive on your off-site SEO, which is like backlinks, do follow, don't follow, or no follow. That's what it's called. What are your competitors doing, right? We should be able to see the informational, navigational, commercial, transactional intent behind the searches of the keywords that we're ranking for, our organic distribution, how we're showing up in the search results pages, branded versus non-branded terms. You get the idea. Competitors, etc. So that's kind of a high-level view of how to do an SEO audit with Semrush. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade in one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.